anybody can help me out of the kindness of their hearts with a penny nickel a down, or maybe even a quarter. Guys, no? All right, God bless all of y'all. Now have a great day, everybody. I'm homeless now. I live out of the bag over there. I sleep, yes, it. No. But hopefully, one day I'm gonna run for president. All of y'all can vote for me, because if I win, I'm gonna have a big White House to live in. I won't be homeless no more. I'll be commander-in-chief. All right, so make sure all y'all vote for me, homeless and for press. If I win, I'm gonna give everybody free chicken, free fried chicken. Since I'm the commander-in-chief, all I gotta do is call the colonel. Like, hello, colonel? Yeah, this is the commander-in-chief. Give all my constituents free fried chicken. Yes, free fried chicken. I know you sell a chicken with a piece of the wing, but I said free, goddamn it.
Make sure you put some macaroni and cheese and some olives.
Have a great day, everybody. Enjoy your Memorial Day. Hopefully somebody will invite me to the barbecue before the day is over, because you know homeless people love barbecue.